Today we're going to show you how our new artwork registration function in RE3 helps you make products like this quickly and with minimal effort. First, we'll start off with a design. Your design is going to incorporate a printed layer and a vector layer. To make sure everything gets lined up properly, you're going to want to include the 4 QR codes provided by us in your artwork. It doesn't matter where they are as long as all 4 are present. In this situation, we're showing a piece of paper, but you can get any material printed on, whether you're doing it in-house or outsourcing. You can print on acrylic, wood, and all other types of materials. Simply place your material inside the work area, and then we're going to want to go into our software and take a photo with the 3D camera. Then we're going to bring in our file and go to the setup page. We're going to click Laser Tools and then start the fiducial correlation, which simply means artwork registration. Since we have our 4 QR codes printed on this material, the vector cuts will automatically align to your printed material. Like any other vector cut, we're going to select our power settings and start the job. In typical fashion, the laser is going to autofocus and then cut exactly where your vectors are in the artwork. And there you have it, printed material with registration cuts that are exact to your design, made easy with RE3. If you have any questions, please reach out to our sales team, and until next time, keep making.